if your home could feel like a luxury jungle. Even if you live in a small apartment with almost no outdoor space, most people think trees are only meant for gardens, parks, or huge villas. But that's not true anymore. There are real indoor trees that can grow inside your home. Beautiful. Alive, air-purifying trees that can completely transform your space into something peaceful, calming, and expensive-looking. And the best part? You don't need a greenhouse, a backyard, or even gardening experience. In this video, you're going to discover 10 stunning indoor trees that can survive and thrive inside your home. Some are tall and dramatic, some are small and elegant, and some even bring luck and fresh energy into your space. By the end, you might look at your home and think, it's missing one thing: a living tree. Number 1. Fiddle Leaf Fig, the luxury statement. Tree. The Fiddle Leaf Fig is one of the most famous indoor trees in the world, often seen in luxury homes, modern apartments, and interior design magazines. What makes it so special is its large, violin-shaped leaves that grow upward in a bold, dramatic way. This instantly creates a high-end, stylish atmosphere in any room. When placed in a bright corner, it becomes a natural centerpiece that draws attention without needing decoration around it. Designers love using it because it fills empty spaces beautifully and adds height and structure to interiors. However, this plant does require consistency. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and does not respond well to frequent moving. Once you find its perfect spot, it prefers to stay there. Watering should be moderate, only when the top soil becomes dry. Although it looks delicate, with the right care, it can grow impressively tall indoors, sometimes even reaching ceiling height over time. It's more than just a plant. It's a living piece of design that elevates the entire mood of your home. If you want a bold, luxury aesthetic, this is the ultimate indoor tree. Number 2. Rubber Plant, the bold and easy green giant. The rubber plant is one of the easiest indoor trees to grow while still looking incredibly stylish. It features thick, glossy leaves that can range from deep green to dark burgundy, depending on the variety. This rich color makes it stand out beautifully against neutral home interiors. One of its biggest advantages is its adaptability. It can survive in bright, indirect light, but also tolerates medium light spaces, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, and living rooms. Unlike more sensitive plants, the rubber plant is forgiving. It doesn't need constant attention, just occasional watering when the soil dries out. Overwatering is actually its biggest enemy, not neglect. As it grows, it develops a strong, upright trunk that gives it a tree-like structure indoors. This makes it perfect for filling empty corners or creating vertical interest in a room. Another benefit is its air-purifying ability, helping remove toxins and improve indoor air quality. If you want a plant that looks expensive but is easy to maintain, the rubber plant is one of the best choices you can make for your home. Number 3. Areca Palm, the tropical paradise tree. The Areca palm is often called the butterfly palm because of its soft, feather-like fronds that gently arch outward. This creates a light, airy feeling that instantly makes any room feel more relaxed and tropical. When you bring an Areca palm indoors, it feels like you've added a piece of a luxury resort inside your home. It naturally softens harsh interiors and adds movement and life to still spaces. This palm prefers bright, indirect light and enjoys slightly humid environments. It does best when the soil is kept lightly moist, but never soggy. A small amount of care goes a long way with this plant. One of its strongest benefits is that it acts as a natural air humidifier. It releases moisture into the air, making your home feel fresher and more comfortable, especially in dry indoor environments. It can also grow quite tall indoors, creating a lush jungle effect without overwhelming the space. If you want your home to feel like a peaceful tropical escape, the Areca palm is one of the best choices you can bring inside. Number 4. Money tree, the symbol of luck and prosperity. The money tree is not just a plant. It's a symbol of good fortune, wealth, and positive energy in many cultures. Its braided trunk and lush green leaves give it a unique decorative appearance that instantly stands out. It is often placed in homes and offices because people believe it attracts financial success and harmony. Even if you don't believe in symbolism, it still brings a calming and refreshing presence into any space. This tree is surprisingly easy to care for. It prefers moderate watering and bright, indirect light. One of its most unique features is that it stores water in its trunk, which means it can survive occasional neglect better than many other indoor trees. Its braided stem also makes it look artistic and sculptural, almost like a living decoration. The money tree doesn't grow too aggressively indoors, making it manageable even in small spaces, yet it still adds height and greenery. If you want a plant that combines beauty, meaning, and low maintenance, the money tree is an excellent choice for your indoor space. Number 5. Indoor olive tree, the symbol of peace and elegance. The indoor olive tree brings a calm Mediterranean atmosphere into your home. With its soft, silver-green leaves and slender trunk, it adds a timeless, elegant aesthetic that never goes out of style. This tree is often associated with peace, wisdom, and balance, making it perfect for creating a relaxing environment inside your home. It fits especially well in minimalist, modern, or Scandinavian-style interiors. Olive trees love sunlight, so placing them near a bright window is essential. They prefer dry conditions and do not require frequent watering, which makes them relatively easy to maintain indoors. Although they grow slowly, this slow growth is actually an advantage. It keeps them compact and controlled. Perfect for long-term indoor use. Over time, the trunk becomes more textured and artistic, giving the plant even more character. If you want a sophisticated, calming plant that brings natural elegance into your space, the indoor olive tree is a perfect choice. Number 6. Dragon tree, the modern architectural plant. The dragon tree is one of the most visually striking indoor plants due to its thin, upright structure and spiky leaves with red edges. It looks almost like a natural sculpture, making it perfect for modern interiors. This plant thrives in low to medium light, which means it can survive in places where other trees struggle. It also requires very little water, making it extremely low maintenance. Its growth pattern is slow and steady, which helps it maintain a clean and organized shape over time. This makes it ideal for offices, hallways, or minimalist rooms. The dragon tree also has strong air-purifying qualities, helping improve indoor air quality while adding aesthetic value. If you want a futuristic, architectural-looking indoor tree that requires almost no effort, this is one of the best options available. Number 7. Schefflera, umbrella tree, the fast-growing green canopy. The Schefflera, also known as the umbrella tree, gets its name from its unique leaf pattern that spreads outward like an umbrella. This creates a dense, lush canopy effect indoors. It grows quickly compared to many indoor trees, making it perfect if you want fast visual impact in your home. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can also adapt to moderate conditions. With regular pruning, you can shape it into a beautiful indoor tree that fits perfectly in corners or empty spaces. It prefers moderate watering and is generally low maintenance, making it beginner-friendly. Its thick foliage not only looks beautiful, but also helps create a natural privacy feel indoors while improving air freshness. If you want a fast-growing, indoor tree that quickly fills your home with greenery, Schefflera is an excellent choice. Number 8. Indoor citrus tree, beauty with a fragrant surprise. Indoor citrus trees like lemon or lime trees are incredibly rewarding because they combine beauty, fragrance, and even fruit production. Their glossy green leaves and small blossoms create a refreshing and vibrant atmosphere indoors. They require plenty of sunlight, so placing them near a bright window is essential. They also need well-draining soil and consistent watering, but not overwatering. One of the most exciting features is that with proper care, they can actually produce small fruits indoors. This makes them both decorative and functional. The fragrance from their flowers adds a fresh, uplifting scent to your home, making the environment feel cleaner and more alive. If you want a plant that offers beauty, scent, and productivity, indoor citrus trees are a perfect choice. Number 9. Norfolk Island Pine, the living Christmas tree. The Norfolk Island Pine looks like a perfect miniature Christmas tree, making it one of the most charming indoor trees you can grow. It prefers bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. It also enjoys slightly humid environments, so occasional misting helps keep it healthy. Its symmetrical shape makes it visually pleasing year-round, not just during holidays. Many people use it as permanent indoor decor because of its soft, balanced structure. It grows slowly, which means it maintains its shape beautifully without becoming too large or messy. If you want a soft, elegant evergreen tree that brings cozy energy into your home, this is a perfect option. Number 10. Jade Tree, the mini bonsai of good luck. The jade tree is a small succulent that grows into a thick, tree-like structure over time. It is often associated with prosperity, luck, and positive energy. It thrives in bright light and requires very little water, making it one of the easiest indoor trees to care for. Its thick, glossy leaves and strong trunk give it a bonsai-like appearance, making it perfect for desks, shelves, or small spaces. Because it grows slowly and stays compact, it's ideal for beginners or busy lifestyles. If you want a small, symbolic, and low-maintenance indoor tree, the jade tree is a perfect choice. And there you have it. 10 beautiful indoor trees that can completely transform your home into a peaceful, green sanctuary. From luxury statement plants to lucky symbolic trees, each one brings something unique into your space. Now the question is, which one will you bring into your home first? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves plants. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep growing your indoor jungle.